Welcome to the channel. Yay! Welcome to Fashion Thrift, okay y'all? And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna upcycle some clothes, but right now we're gonna do some thrifting. We're gonna get into some traveling today. And this is my, we already making mistakes, y'all. I'm excited about where this channel may go to. And so what we're gonna do is get into the video. We're gonna do a thrift first. So yeah, your girl gonna go to the store and do a thrift, and we're gonna go through the Goodwill and see what we can find. And then later on in the video, we're gonna do a haul, upcycle haul on the things that I've already upcycled. So yeah, we're gonna go to the local Goodwill over here behind where I live at, and we're gonna do some thrifting. We're gonna see what we can find to upcycle for the next video, and I'm bringing y'all along with me. So I'm excited about getting in there and seeing what they got on this Sunday. So how y'all doing? Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's my first time here too. So we are here together. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go through. And so when I get in the store, I will come back and share the thrifting with you guys. All right, all right. Hey y'all, so I am done. I'm gonna get in the house and I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, because I didn't put my seatbelt on because I didn't have to go fly. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got at the Goodwill. So here's one of the tables that I found at the Goodwill. It was $12.99, and I didn't think that was a bad price. If I don't keep them, I may give them to my daughter. She may just love them. So I thought they were a good buy. There were no cracks or scratches or anything on it. Had a nice drawer. Opened up, wasn't like wobbly or shaky or anything. And let me see. I got a name tag in there. I don't know what that is. Who is that? Pier 1. So they are some Pier 1 tables. And y'all know how expensive Pier 1 is. So, okay, y'all. So we in the house. I took off my top. Whew, it was hot, y'all. It was hot, 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 hot. From moving all that stuff in. So you saw the tables, and you see that the tables are from Pier 1. Okay? And these are my Goodwill hauls. All scarves at the Goodwill is $2. So this is a pretty scarf that I found, and these are gonna go on the back of some more blue jean vests. Here's one, here's two, kind of remind me of Louis Vuitton maybe? Well, I think that's who it is, I don't know, but here's number two. And plus it's black, green, and red, and for Black History Month. I don't really want to cut this one, so I don't know, I might just hold on to that or just figure out another way to do something with that one. Here's another, hold on. Another scarf I found. And just so y'all know, a tip here, this scarf is really, really pretty. So I can decide to use this part of the motif of the scarf in the back of a jacket, or I might use it for something else. Everything ain't gonna be in no jacket. So, okay, I'm not gonna upscale or upcycle everything, okay? But that's another scarf. Like I said, all scarves are $2.99. I found these shorts. These shorts is for me. I said I wasn't gonna spend no money for me. I wasn't gonna buy no more clothes, but these shorts are for me, okay? And I wanted them to be kind of big, so they kind of like just hang on me. And I can wear them with my blue jean vest. They got little hand pocket, hand pockets, and then the little flip pocket on the bottom. You can see that. Okay, and these were $5.99. Yeah, they were $5.99, and I thought those would be cute to wear with my blue jean jacket that I made. And then I found me a boy shirt that I got to wash real quick. This was $12.99 because this is a nice shirt here. It is a Akram Brothers. So I guess maybe they somebody important. I don't know. But it was a nice soft white shirt. So I'm going to style this today with a couple of the outfits. So I got to throw that in the washer real quick. And then I found this blue jean skirt, which is huge. But I am going to, it's not that big, but I'm going to thrift it down. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this yet. I don't know. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But it is a blue jean skirt. It's nice. I might not have to do nothing to it and just wear it, on a cool fall night or something like that. But this one right here, it is extra big. Which is okay because it's going to give me material to play with. And I'm going to make a blue jean belt out of this one. I don't know if y'all saw. Oh, the shirt was $12.99. The skirt was $6.99. This skirt was $5.99. But look at this skirt, y'all. Okay, this is the back of it, right? And this is the front of it. Imagine how cute that belt going to be. I'm going to have to take it in quite a bit. And then I think I'm going to cut, round here into like a triangle here. And I might get some like belt hooks. I think I already got some hooks. Yeah, I think I do have some gold hooks already that I'm going to attach to the bottom of them. And then this will be on the back part. And since these flaps are not like usable or anything like that, I'm not sure if I'm going to show the back or the front. I kind of like the front because of the big gold buttons on there that I may have to recenter or whatever have you. But the pockets on this skirt do unzip, which will allow you, and they're pretty deep, will allow you to put something in there. This is a gold flavor stretch skirt, super plus. Yeah, so it is big, but I think it's gonna make a nice belt. All right, so a nice blue jean belt to go around your waist. Let's see what else I got in here. Found another blue jean skirt that I would like to do the same thing to give me a different variety because that's a dark one and this is more of a lighter one. So this will also be a blue jean around the waist belt that I upcycle, and this one is $5.99. $5.99. So that's the back of that one, y'all. See that? So imagine me cutting this. Okay, imagine me cutting this skirt, making this into like a V with some little hooks on it, just this part, and it go around your waist. Okay, like a belt, and then you can wear a shirt with it, a skirt up under it, or some shorts with it, but it's going to be like a utility belt. So you can put your phone in the pockets and do whatever you want to do, put your keys in there, and have your little blue jean belt on. And here's a vest that I know I can't fit. I hope she can fit it. It's an extra, it says it's an extra large. This is the littlest extra large jacket I've ever seen. Okay, and this is something I'm going to upcycle for my friend. It's a 14-16, but I think she's gonna be able to fit this. Somebody lied on this label, and it's from Cherokee. And let me see, it was $6.99 as well. So yeah, with the nightstands and all these things that I'm showing you, I paid $68 for my thrift today. Okay, y'all, so here is the first upcycle. All right, this used to be a pair of jeans. I cut the legs off, and then I made sleeves out of the legs. My machine wouldn't let me be good, so I only have one sleeve at the moment. But I will finish this upcycle. So hey fam, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get better as I go. This is my first one, so be patient with me. And once again, welcome for coming over here to the Fashion Thrifter, and leave some comments below, subscribe, like, do all those wonderful things, and I will see you in the next video, which will be better as we go. Thanks, y'all.